It's very rare that we come to Costco on a Saturday, but this morning they dropped a new sale. It's the hot warehouse buys, and these are very time-sensitive sales. I think this one ends in like 7 days. So Desi, who's holding the camera, Rose, Honey, and myself are here at Costco. We're gonna go around and do what we always do, shop. Show you what's on sale, what to buy, what to avoid, but more importantly, how to read the ingredients so you put the best quality stuff in your body and your family body. Before we go, 1 second, Rose. Hey, I want you to check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. Yes, Thrive has been a 7-year supporter of the channel, but the reason why I like them, it's pretty much anything you can find at almost any grocery store is on Thrive Market, but it's cheaper. You save about 32 bucks compared to going to the grocery store, and the box comes to your home. You don't have to leave the house. More importantly, my link down below gets you 30% off your first order, a free gift, and it's 30 days risk-free. I'll type out a list of all my favorite Thrive Market items and put them in the description box. So less talking, more shopping. Rose, let's go. Let's go shopping. Okay, we've arrived at a good snack I was looking for. Throw these in your card, Rosa. These are on sale, Wisps, which are great, but I've never seen this flavor. This is Asiago and Pepper Jack. Yes, it's 1 net carb. Yes, it's gluten-free, but fun fact about aged cheeses like Asiago, Parmesan, cheddar, aged cheeses have, yes?
For those coconut rolls.
Coconut rolls? I know exactly what those are. Those are up front. 1 second here. Aged cheeses have no lactose. So if you're lactose intolerant, you can still have it. If you're casein intolerant, it still has the milk protein casein. But look, it has milk, and according to their website, it's non-GMO milk, which is very exciting, and then real pepper jack cheese. Crumble this over a salad, use it as a dip in some salsa or some guacamole. This is fantastic.
That's what I was going to say.
Well, yeah, they're Bobby approved. Now, speaking of things that might not be Bobby. Coconut rolls? Okay, real quick.
Coconut rolls thing.
Yes. Cranberries are Bobby approved, right?
Yeah.
But look at the ingredients here. Is cane sugar and sunflower oil Bobby approved? No, no, no. Here's the crazy thing, folks. Look, cranberries are healthy. They're loaded with antioxidants. They're high in vitamin C. But a 1/4 cup serving, Rose, a 1/4 cup, which is not that much, has 24 grams of added sugar. Do you know how much that is? It's a mind-boggling 6 teaspoons of cane sugar. 6 teaspoons per 1/4 cup. 1 second. And look what it says. Refined sunflower oil used as a processing aid. We say no to sunflower oil. We say no to added sugar. We say yes to coconut rolls. Let's go get some rolls. Let's go.
This way?
Nope, the other way. Keep going straight.
Keep going straight.
Yep.
Right?
Yep, keep going straight then right. Correct. Oh, look. Look, there they are. Listen, they're not on sale, but still, the price is fantastic. Yeah, we can snack while we're here shopping. They're not perfectly Bobby approved, but they are still approved. There you go, my love, because look what's going on. They're coconut milk based. It honestly tastes like crispy coconuts. And it has coconut sugar, but it also has organic sugar. But listen, 1 cup serving of these only has 4 grams of sugar. Let's say it's 2 grams of sugar from coconut, 2 grams of organic sugar. I can deal with that little amount of sugar for a sweet treat. So these are Bobby approved. We always have them at home. Okay, where to next?
To the chocolate bar stand.
I didn't know Costco had a chocolate bar stand. Let's go. I'm looking for the 7 Sundays. Oh, bummer. They don't have the 7 Sundays keto cereal anymore. They have this one, but I wanted the 7 Sundays. I'll order it on Thrive Market. Our favorite thing to do, Desi and I, is after Rose goes to sleep, we'll have a cereal bowl on the couch while watching Mrs. Maisel or The Recruit now on Netflix. And the 7 Sundays keto cereal at Costco is great, but on Thrive Market, they have the 7 Sundays sunflower protein cereal, and they have the Kiki Milk. If you don't know about Kiki Milk, it's the most Bobby approved plant-based milk on the market. It's made with glyphosate-free organic oats, sprouted sunflower seeds, coconuts, hemp hearts, and there's no gums, oils, emulsifiers. So with my promo code for Thrive Market, click the link down below, 30% off your first order. Get the sunflower protein cereal from 7 Sundays. If Thrive Market has the keto coconut flakes, get those. They're amazing, but they've been sold out for like 4 weeks. And get the Kiki Milk. They're unbelievable. And then I put a full list, including personal care products, like the shampoo and the soap that I use. Great prices on Thrive Market when you click my link, 30% off your first order. And the free gift, because they don't have 7 Sundays cereal here anymore.
Starting early, huh?
Exactly, exactly. This is on sale. This is good salsa, Rosie. Look, this is called Mateo's Gourmet Salsa. The nice thing about it, when you have salsa, look for natural flavors, look for added sugar. I don't see any of that. It's on sale. It's 15 cents an ounce. It's good, but you know what's better? What I put in my cart here. The Kirkland organic salsa is technically better because tomatoes are on the dirty dozen, and while Rayo's is not organic, they peel those tomatoes. These are whole chopped or pureed tomatoes, so this is still technically Bobby.
Your favorite cheese.
Oh, the Parmigiano Reggiano, yes.
Let's get some.
I think I'm running low. I'll get some too. This is technically Bobby approved, but it's 15 cents an ounce. The organic Kirkland one, I just took a picture, was 12 cents an ounce. It's no natural flavors. If you scan it with the Bobby approved app, it's approved. So either one's great, but why not get this? It's always on sale. It's even cheaper, and it's slightly superior in my opinion.
Hip hooray.
Hip hip hooray!
Hi.
The clothing section caught Rose Honey's eye here. The hot couture of Costco. Let's see what's going on. Oh, you found 2 dresses already? Good for you, girl.
Get some other.
This sale item is more suited towards the baker here, Desi. Is that Desi approved?
That is Desi.
Yeah, that's a good KitchenAid stand mixer there. So here's the cool thing about this. It's the professional series one. Crank the handle and backward, Des. See? That's the professional series. Instead of having to screw the bowl in, it just goes up and down like that. Look at the price. It's $100 off. Hey, Rose, imagine when you and Mommy make the paleo marshmallows. Oh man, Desi's homemade paleo marshmallows are amazing. This is a great deal. If you've been looking for a stand mixer, $2.99, fantastic deal on the professional one.
Oh, I like this patch.
Yeah, that's to get the scraping the bowl there. And then right next to it, if you're in the market for a food processor, this looks like a really good deal. So this is the Ninja. How big is it? Let's see here. There we go. 9 cups. So that's pretty big. It's a 9-cup Food Pro with different blades. $69.99 is a great deal for a really good food processor with multiple blades. So between that and the KitchenAid food processor, good savings in the cooking aisle. Speaking of cookware, I think in the next 30 days, the Flave City Cookware, which sold out, thanks to you guys, will be back in stock, and we'll have enough to finally do a sale. So if you're looking for cookware sets or individual pans, wait until flavecitycookware.com as a restock.
That was so fun because Mom turned back again.
I know, I totally got confused where Mom was. It's crazy. How many coconut rolls have you eaten?
Are you keeping count?
This is on sale. It's a popular water. It's called Lemon Perfect, but it's a prime example of having to read the ingredients.
It's super cold.
It's super cold back here, I know. It's a prime example of reading the ingredients because it says lemon water here, 0 sugar. The problem is it's not just lemon water. It's lemon juice with natural flavors. It's a prime example of why you have to read ingredients. It's the same with LaCroix and the other ones. It sounds very refreshing, but natural flavors, once again, are the biggest lie in the grocery store. Rose, are natural flavors Bobby approved? No chance. So if you see natural flavors, run. The only one here who doesn't use natural flavors and uses real fruit is Spindrift.
There, Daddy.
Thank you, sweetie. Okay, so that is it, my friends, for our rare Saturday Costco haul.
Spit on me.
Sorry, I spit on these hot warehouse buys
It's
end
yummy.
in like 6 or 7 days. So head on down to Costco. Also, check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. 30% off your first order. The free gift, 30 days risk-free. I put all my favorite Thrive Market items in the description box. So for Rosie, Desi, and myself, we leave you like we always do. Hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love and peace.